Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Series 2A. Let's continue our learning programs. We are going to continue with the scriptures, the promises of God in this program. Yong pek klang bai kap tau laga ai. Jumlai ka te rao Karai Kasang a gas di ni nguai Series 2A pek metut na ante chyinghka laga. We are now in April 2020. Remarkably, the world has been suffering from global novel coronavirus pandemic. Everyone has a lot of difficulties. Some may have lost family, loved one. However, in this series, we are going to take our spiritual encouragement with the scriptures. In this series, we are going to study two different scriptures. One will be Isaiah chapter 26 verse 20, and another scripture will be Psalm chapter 91 verse 1 to 16. Mungkanting novel coronavirus pandemic at majo graya kakai tenre ngkaw mingayang sorai dum tamshani simate lamjo gray yon kento tenre ready mung greg sanga munga gasdi ni tha mgun awai laga Esaia Laika dogba kungru dogji kunthe shkon Kungdawn laika dogba khu shilngai tha ante munga phe mgun laga. Isaiah chapter 26 verse 20. This scripture is from New International Verses Bible version. Go, my people, enter your rooms and shut the doors behind you. Hide yourself for a little while until his wrath has passed by. Isaiah Laika dogba kungru dogji kun nye amyu shani marit kata gawk de shang na chyinghka da u pot sindawng ai lai mat ai hkra na hkum phe chyahkring mi makoi da u. Psalm chapter 91 verse 1. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. Shkon Kungdawn laika dogba tkushi langai dogji langai so tum ai wa a shimai shira dunga ai wa go tlai ngun rong ai grai wa a shingnip tha anga nga lu ai. Psalm chapter 91 verse 2. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. Shkon Kungdawn laika dogba kushi langai dogji lakhong ngai go Yehovah phe ni a shingbi shira te wa phang ngai phanga ai Karai Kasang nang renga Ndai nga na sun nga na ngai. Verse 3. Surely he will save you from the fowler's snare and from the deadly pestilence. Dogji msum gning right me lo shi go u kham ai wa a makham the bya wa ai anna akhya tha na nang phe mawai la na Ndai. Verse 4. He will cover you with his feathers, and under his wings you will find a refuge. His faithfulness will be your shield and rampart. Dogji mali shia singko munte shi nang phe magabda na shia singko mpu nang shimnga luna Ndai shi a sadi skha go ngang the phian palong rai nga ai. Verses 5 to 6. You will not fear the terror of night, nor the arrow that flies by day, nor the pestilence that stalks in the darkness, nor the plague that destroys at midday. Dogji mga ko na group, shna na krit pa te, shni e gabdat ay pla pe, nsin e gwan kom ay, ana kya te, jan pungting e, bin ay, ali awo pe, nang nkrit ranga ndai. Verses 7 to 8. 1,000 may fall at your side, 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. You will only observe with your eyes and see the punishment of the wicked. Dogji snit kona masat, na makoi e masha mi, na hkra maga e mun mi kuto timong, dai nang pet kraluna nrai. Gajawa na mi te, nang madayu na, tara lang ay nita, kapwa ay ripe mulu na rindai. Verses 9 to 10. If you say, the Lord is my refuge, and you make the Most High your dwelling, no harm will overtake you, no disaster will come near to your tent. Dogji jikugona shi, Yehovah nya shingbishra, nang rainga ndai, nang go sotumai wape, na ngashra, shtainu ai, aru ra nang ta bin luna nrai, machi mako na sumta, niwa luna nrai. Verses 11 to 12. For he will command his angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. They will lift you up in their hands so that you will not strike your foot against a stone. Dogji shilangai go na shilakho. Lamshgu ta nang pet bausin na madu shia lamu gisani pet shi kangda mu ai. Lung ta na lago atu uga shanti lata ta nang pet bon lu namra ai. Verses 13 to 14. You will tread on the lion and the cobra. You will trample the great lion and the serpent. Because he loves me, say the Lord, I will rescue him. I will protect him, for he acknowledges my name. Dogji shimasumgona shimali. Kanki te butum ansa nang komlu na. Kanki klung te bren pe gabye luna rindai. Ngai ta shi ganan na nga ai majo. Ngai shi pe muwela na we ai. Nye ming pe je nga ai majo. Ngai shi pe makop magana we ai. Verses 15 to 16. He will call on me and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life, I will satisfy him and show him my salvation. Dogji shim nga gona shi gru. Shi ngai pet shgayang. Ngai tan na ngai. Ngai shi pet saila na. Shăkawn na we ai. Brat galu ai te. Ngai shi pet shkat ya na. Nye hkra la ai lam. Shi pet madun dan na we ai. May you be in the promises of God. Thanks for joining with me. See you next time.